I'll tell you something. Ungavumi nje ukuphelele South Africa, Shem. With the little money that you get, shaya indawo. Ngena emandleni.
Toya's lies! Latoya's lies! Yes, sis! This is frustrating. I wish you guys knew.
Mhlambe you are looking for a soulmate kumuntu and ayitholi soulmate yakho because isoulmate yakho ayisiyo umuntu, isoulmate yakho isebank ihlalele laphayana. Yabo ukuthi thina nje sinengqondo eqinile zongacabanga ukuthi amanye ama situations ethu awafani nabanye abantu. Abanye abantu ma soulmate abo abantu. Thina ama soulmate ethu imali bafethu, imali.
Yo guys, people are so angry. Hey, this one said, I never knew this girl, but ngiyamzonda. I know y'all next week will be commenting, no one will ever make me hate you on her videos. Hey, ngoba abanye abantu bayamangaza. Hey, I shame. The little money we get, we buy electricity, CC. Yeah. I didn't know she was this talkative. Mina guys, to be honest, I didn't know this lady at all. Like, I didn't know her, but I've never seen her face before until now. Like, I didn't know anything about her. Uboshwa nini yena? Hayibo, kanjani manje? Angithi phela kuthiwa indoda yakhe kahle kahle yenza yabo imhosha not yena. So yini kazoyiboshelwa yena mokuthi she was not involved. Uthi lo, she's still a child. Mxoleleni bakithi. Hey. Hayi wena shutha ubaza abantu base South Africa usuba khohliwe. No wonder why electricity is so expensive. We were actually buying ama Porsche, not units. Hey, goba. There's a post where she said, not clearing up any rumors unless they say I drive a Polo VW. Hey, I think I saw that video. Manje hey, nkosi yami. Shame to laba aba driver ma VW. Hayi bandlu siswakhona, hayi shame. My mom was crying the other day. She bought electricity for 400 rands and it was only 99 units. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. What? 99 units? Oh guys, no. Isoulmate yakhe ise Eskom. This one said, I'm getting angry all over again. Oh, askis nkosi yami, askis. Money doesn't like noise. No guys, it doesn't. It doesn't. Makafe, hi guys, hike, there's too much. Come on now. The last one, this person is talking about the last video. The last one, she knew very well. She sounds like she is the mastermind. Hey, I assess guys. If she is the mastermind, why is she not arrested yet? Assess. Awu bakithi ulelethu kazi unjani la akhona ngaze ngamzwela bandla mhlambe ubengazi ukuthi iyantshontshwa le mali. Hey assess guys, if kukuthi ubengazi ngempela, shame. I hope she's okay.
Nanokuthi nje guys khona abantu emele baboshwe la emhlabeni. Ezinye ingane zavuka isebenze kanzima nje zilwe wena nje uvela uvuke nje ubangene. Uqeda ube ngaphezulu. Kanjani? Yabo senti unfair. Yathi sizoboshwa ngempela, sizoboshwa ke manje.
Kalani emhlabeni hayi no South Africa emhlabeni. What in the movie is this? Sure. People are getting arrested left, right, and center. I was telling my friend today, hey, ungakhaleli impilo yomunye umuntu. Don't envy and wish upon other people's lives, because I was telling my friend today, I was telling my friend, yo, a lot of people that we used to look at and go, look, their life. And the bad thing about envying somebody else or wishing you had their lives, you lose focus on your life. Because there were people at some point that I looked at and I lost focus on my life and I felt like an underachiever. Where people are rocking the McLarens, the Rolls Royce, the real rust. And I'll be in my G-Wagon and still feel like I'm an underachiever. Ababoshwa. And I'm like, yo, rather take a snail pace legit than take a cheetah's place, excuse the pun, a cheetah, the animal, and the cheetah's speed illegally. Ababoshwa. I remember some of them, I would bump into them on Emirates first class buffet. And I'm thinking, baphila kamnandi bahamba namachoma abayi-8 abachoma ababhadalelwe kuphethwa iluggage yakhona. And I'm like, hey, so you need to work hard now uzoflyisa amachoma akho. That time, and it took me months to save for that ticket. Woo!
Uyabonakala. Shaya phe.
Nisaya kahle.
Shaya.
Ngiphinde futhi.
Shaya.
So I've seen, yazi ukuthi when a good thing starts, people like using this phrase, ethi, it will end in tears. Angeke nje kuze kuende in tears. Into ezoenda in tears ile relationship yakho le engendawo. Engenama date, ama vacation, awekho, awazi nje allowance, nje awuthengelwa ngisho imbali. Nihleli nje nibukene kodwa uthanda ukugongobalela indaba zabantu ukuthi it will end in tears nokuphapha nekhanda elikhulu.